So welcome on Pharma Mentor. Here you can get all pharma study material for academic GPAT and NIPER. Also, for more information, you can kindly visit our website, that is www.pharmamentor.online. Also, you can visit our YouTube channel, My Pharma Mentor YouTube channel on same website, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss on topic classification of organic compound. So here classification of organic compound. Organic compounds are mainly classified into two classes. First one, open chain, or it is also called as acyclic or aliphatic compounds. Examples are alkane, alkene, alkyne, etc. And next class, that is closed chain or cyclic compound. That again classified. That closed chain compounds are classified into two classes: homocyclic and second is heterocyclic. Now, what is meaning of homocyclic compound? The cyclic compounds generally which consist same atom in its structure, generally which carbon atom in its structure. That is homocyclic compound. And what is meaning of heterocyclic compound? The cyclic compound which consists one or more heteroatom in its structure. Now, generally which heteroatoms which is other than carbon atom, like oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. These are what heterocyclic compounds. Now, what is example of that heterocyclic compound? First example, 5-member ring. Here oxygen at first position, so name of that compound is furan. Next, 5-member ring, nitrogen at first position, name of that compound is pyrrole. Then 5-member ring, sulfur at first position, name of that compound is thiophene. After that, next, that homocyclic compounds are classified into two classes: alicyclic compounds and aromatic compound. Now, what is example of alicyclic compounds? Examples are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclohexane. Now, aromatic homocyclic compounds are further classified into two classes: benzenoid aromatic compounds and non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Now, what is example of benzenoids? Examples under that: benzene and naphthalene. And non-benzenoid example is propylone. These are what classification of organic compound. Next, classification of organic compound based on structure. Now, based on structure, they are classified into two types. Again, acyclic compound, we call it as an open chain compound, and second one, cyclic compound. We call it as a closed chain compound. Now, what is acyclic or open chain compounds? These compounds are also called as aliphatic compounds, and which consist a straight or branch chain compound for in its structure. So examples are ethane, isobutane, acetaldehyde, and acetic acid. These are the examples of acyclic compounds or open chain compounds. Now, examples of cyclic compounds. Under that, examples are naphthalene, anthracene, cyclopropane, cyclohexane, and tetrahydrofuran. These are the examples of what? Cyclic or closed chain compound. Now, that cyclic compounds are again classified into two classes. That is homocyclic, or it is also called as carbocyclic compounds. And next class, that is heterocyclic compounds. Now, that homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds are again classified into two classes. That is alicyclic homocyclic compounds and aromatic homocyclic compounds. Now, what is alicyclic? What is meaning of that alicyclic? Alicyclic is nothing but aliphatic cyclic compounds. Aliphatic cyclic compounds are called as alicyclic compounds. So, what is example of that alicyclic compounds? Examples are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. Now, next class, that is aromatic homocyclic compounds. Examples are naphthalene, anthracene. Why it is called as aromatic? Because due to presence of this double bond, or its obeys which rules Haeckel's rule for aromaticity. That's why that compound is called as aromatic compound. After that, next main class under closed chain compound, that is heterocyclic. Again, that heterocyclic compounds are classified into two classes. That is alicyclic heterocyclic compounds and aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Now, What is examples of alicyclic heterocyclic compounds? Now here, under that examples are, first example is here 3-member ring where oxygen at first position. So name of that compound is oxyrene or epoxyethane. Then 5-member ring, oxygen at first position, that is saturated ring. So example name of that compound is tetrahydrofuran. After that, this is 6-member ring where oxygen at first and fourth position. Here there is 2 oxygen at first and fourth position. So name of that compound is 1,4-dioxane. This is 5-member ring, nitrogen at first position. Here there is hydrogen. So name of that compound is pyrrolidine. And 6-member ring where nitrogen at first position. Name of that compound is piperidine. This is example of what? Alicyclic heterocyclic compounds. After that, next class under that heterocyclic compound, that is aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Now, what is example of aromatic heterocyclic compounds? Now, you know that what is meaning of aromatic? Aromatic which obeys Haeckel's rule, right? That is, that compounds are generally called as aromatic compound. Now, what is example of aromatic heterocyclic compounds? Examples are furan. Then, if there is sulfur in 5-member ring, there is thiophene. If there is nitrogen, name of that compound is pyrrole. If 6-member ring and nitrogen at first position, so name of that ring is pyridine. If 6-member ring, instead of the nitrogen there is oxygen, at that time name of that compound is pyran. After that, next 6-member ring, when oxygen at first position, nitrogen at second position, name of that ring is oxazine. Then again 6-member ring, sulfur at first position, nitrogen at second position, name of that ring is thiazine. Then again 6-member ring, nitrogen at first position and third position. Then name of that ring is pyrimidine. Then here again 6-member ring, nitrogen at first position and fourth position. Here this is what? There is absence of double bond. So this is not example of aromatic ring. This is not example of aromatic ring. Now what is name of this compound? Here nitrogen at first and fourth position. Name of that compound is piperazine. So by mistake it is come under what? Aromatic. So this is not example of aromatic heterocyclic compound, that is piperazine, right? Next example, this is aromatic heterocyclic ring, that is thiene. Here 6-member ring, sulfur at first position. This is all about what? Classification of closed chain compound. Now here again that homocyclic aromatic compounds, as we on previous slide we discussed the classification of homocyclic compound. They are classified into 2 classes, alicyclic and aromatic. Now that aromatics are again further classified into 2 main classes, that is benzenoid aromatic compounds and non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Now what is meaning of benzenoid? Benzenoids are those compounds which consist one or more benzene ring in its structure. That compounds are called as benzenoid compounds. And what is meaning of non-benzenoid? Non-benzenoid, when the compound there is absence of what? Benzene ring in its structure. So that compounds are called as non-benzenoid compounds. So homocyclic aromatic compounds are classified into benzenoid aromatic and non-benzenoid aromatics. Now what is example of benzenoid aromatic compounds? Examples are benzene, then toluene, then here ortho, para or meta-xylene, CH3 and this CH3. Either it is either that which is at ortho position, meta position or para position. So it is xylene, ortho, meta or para xylene. Next here 6-member ring is fused with 5-member ring. Name of that compound is indene. Then here 2 6-member ring are fused to each other. Name of that compound is naphthalene. Then here 2 benzene ring are bind with each other by single bond, that is biphenyl. Then here 3 benzene ring are fused to each other. Name of that compound is anthracene. And here again 3 benzene ring fused to each other. Name of that compound is phenanthrene. These are all examples of benzenoid aromatic compounds. Now what is example of non-benzenoid aromatic compounds? Now here there is absence of what? Benzene in its structure. Examples are tropolone, and next example azulene. These are what? Examples of non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. After that, heterocyclic compounds. Now we already discussed what is meaning of heterocyclic compounds. They are again classified into two classes: alicyclic heterocyclic compounds and aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Now here there is examples of alicyclic and aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Here there is again remembering oxygen at first position, so oxyrane or epoxyethane. There is absence of double bond, so saturated system, so they are called as alicyclic compound. Next example, tetrahydrofuran. Next example, 1,4-dioxane. Next example is pyridine, 5-member ring, nitrogen at first position. And last example, piperidine. These are what all examples of alicyclic heterocyclic compounds. Now examples of aromatic heterocyclic compounds, as we already discussed that examples: furan, thiophene, pyrrole, pyridine, pyran, then oxazine, thiazine, pyrimidine, and thiene. This is not example of aromatic heterocyclic compound. After that, again here there is examples of aromatic heterocyclic compounds are given. So you remember these aromatic heterocyclic compounds with their names. Generally, these structures are given and these names are asked, which is that heterocyclic compound for your competitive exam. So you remember these heterocyclic compounds: furan, thiophene. When there is oxygen, at that time furan. When there is sulfur, at that time thiophene. When there is pyrrole, at that time there is nitrogen. When a 6-member ring, nitrogen at first position, pyridine. 6-member ring, oxygen at first position, pyran. Oxazine, here oxygen at first position, nitrogen at third position, so oxazine. Thiazine, then there is sulfur at first position, nitrogen at second position, thiazine. Pyrimidine, 6-member ring, nitrogen at first and third position. Now this is not aromatic heterocyclic compound. Why? Because there is absence of what? Double bond, and it does not obey Haeckel's rule for aromaticity. That's why it is not aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Examples are piperazine, where nitrogen at first and fourth position. And last example, thiene, 6-member ring, sulfur at first position. So thank you for watching this video. Again, for mock test on same topic, you can visit our same website, that is www.pharmamentor.online. Also, you can visit our My Pharma Mentor YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.